Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 3rd, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So on the Euro Yen, I was kind of wondering if we were already going down for like a wave C of what I think could be a wave A, B, C correction. But I also am kind of wondering if we're missing the wave C or B, like impulsive up, corrective down, impulsive up, maybe a fib bounce, and then continue down. And I think it might make more sense if it actually went up and hit that 78% before it actually went back down again. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, if we zoom out a little bit, you can see that we got our Fibonacci retracement on this last move up, which I do think this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. And this move down definitely looks very corrective, which is why I think this could be a wave A of B, and we could be in a wave B of B now. So if we see this thing go down to a fib level, like the 50 or the 61, and then make like a break of structure to the upside, that would probably be a pretty nice long opportunity for the wave C of wave B, probably taking it back up to the 78% Fibonacci retracement level that I showed on the daily time frame. If you do not get a break of structure at a Fibonacci level, then there is no reason to go long. Instead, I would just continue to look for sorts. If it does not break structure at a Fibonacci level, there's really no reason to go long, and I would just keep on looking for sorts and holding on to sorts. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.